Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Invicta, invincible in detail since 1837. Let's check this out. Let's get to it. Seems like it come with a nice little cloth to clean it with. Instruction manual. It's a really cool watch. Speedway men's watch by Invicta. This is a 52mm. This has our flame fusion crystal in it with a gunmetal casing, all metal. It's really nice. It's in a 52mm size. The Swiss movement, the dial is actually, the color of it's like a green. And the bezel does not move. No movement on the bezel at all. It's a push button type crown and a silicone type rubber band on it with a few metal links. A Swiss movement and water resistant to 100 meters. Also, I'll leave the specs. I think this watch has a really nice build quality to it. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but not overly heavy. Also, it really fits small wrists really well, being that it's a 52mm watch. Alright, I guess this is the end of the unboxing. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Please subscribe to watch more videos on my channel. Alright, thank you.